Hi. Let me start from the very beginning. I had certain medical reports that came out like few days back, and I was scared because it showed certain things that a 25-year-old girl should not have. And as you can see, there's like a heavy double chin that I have right now, which I didn't used to have few months back. And like even like the videos I'm seeing from last 7 8 months ago, there's a huge drastic change, like a huge change in how I'm feeling right now, not just how the way I'm looking, how much weight I've gained, how much that weight gain is actually affecting my day to day life. And I'm not trying to hide this because this is making me very uncomfortable, and that's why I need to put this here. And yeah, so I wouldn't say I'm starting a challenge. It would be a challenge in a way that I am not, like, my habits have gone so bad that it feels very difficult to just think that I am not going to have any sugar from tomorrow because I have been so used to uh, taking sugar in my chai or having a chocolate shake for comfort and all those things, or maybe just even just having a balanced diet and not eating junk food. It sounds very simple, but for last week I've been trying every day to do that, and every day I failed in some or the other way. And I have to do this for myself. This is not going to be a challenge for me. I am going to see it as a gift that I'm giving myself. Yes, it would be difficult. Like, anyways, if you love someone, you gather money and you get them something wonderful. This is like that. But instead of money, it is going to be a little bit of money also. But instead, it is going to be my dedication and my love for myself. I've realized the only problem in this whole process is that I'm not able to love myself. I'm able to give amazing advice. I'm able to, like, really, really show other people how much they mean to me, but I'm unable to do that for myself. And that is the reason that I take the meal I'm eating or lying down on the bed all day, not exercising. I take all these things so lightly, and I've been taking them so lightly because there's a lack of love, possibly a hint of self hatred as well, as I've explored in my current journals, that there is a tendency in me that as soon as I'm like able to do something good, or I, 1 week I'm like really great with my health, and then the next day, the moment I realize that I've been really great this week, the next day I would like destroy it so badly. So I need to be able to remind myself that this is for me, and along with me, this is for my parents who love me a lot. My mother felt devastated that why is my kid living like this, doing this to herself, and it just feels really bad because in simple terms it's just about eating healthy and exercising. That's how simple it is, but the environment around us has made it so complicated. I live alone. I have to cook myself. I have to clean my own utensils. I have to clean my own room. Then I also go on to a job. And besides that, I take time for other things. And there's so much reasons, so many reasons why then when I feel tired at the end of the day, I just want to have some junk food and just like, but it's like that I have done it to such an extent that even that food is not giving me any sense of pleasure. It's not making me feel good. It's not even tasting good. It's tasting the same every day. And beyond that, like, why can't I do that for myself? I'm sure if my friend would call me up and say that I'm sick and please come and cook for me, I would do that. Then why can't I do that for myself? That is the main question. So I'm making this video in the hopes that I hold myself accountable. And this time, after I know everything, and it's now a medical issue now, then I need to just work on it. So let's see what happens. I'm not going to try my best. I know I am going to do the best. And I've made these kind of promises almost every month to myself. And every time I felt this time it's different. So I don't really know, but I want to believe that this time when I feel that it is really different, then it is really different. Yeah, and that's it.